Welcome to my channel. It's Porsha here. We're back with another makeup review. Today we will be reviewing the Makeup by Mario Surreal Foundation. It does come in 30 shades. It's 1 fluid ounce, and I have mine in the shade 230, and I have mine in the shade 24N. So if you want to see which one matches me the best, continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get on with the video. So we're just going to go ahead and get started. This is how the box looks. Let me go ahead and open it up. Okay, this is how the foundation bottle looks. Just the simple Mario. Just the simple Mario packaging. Has a white top. I don't really care for the white top, but this is just how his stuff looks. And I have the shade 230. Okay, and this is 230. I also have the shade 24N, and they didn't have it in store because that's the shade I was going to buy. So I'm going to swatch that for y'all as well. It was more neutral on me. So we're just going to go ahead and see. I already moisturized my face. This is 24N. And it blends right in. And let me show y'all 230. He did have a couple of shades that I could wear. Okay, but this one blends right in. 230. This is 230. Let's blend it out a little bit. This is 230. That looks a little lighter, right? And let's do 24N with this sample. And this one blends right in. So which one y'all want to go with? 230 or 24N? This is 24N. This is 230. Okay, I think I want to go in with 24N because it's blending right in. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe this off, and we're going to go ahead and prime our face. So one half is going to be 230. This other half is going to be 24N. Since I already have product on the back of my hand, I don't want to waste it. So we're going to go ahead and prime my face. I'm just going to go ahead and go in with the one size. It's right here. I did already moisturize with the Bobbi Brown Vitamin C. I'll let y'all decide which one looks good. Okay, so this side is going to be the 230.
Go back to the 3 times. Dealing with your ass got me working overtime. Got me some slack, I've been losing my mind.
And we're gonna go in with the Refi brush on this one.
No, I'm not fine. You be killing my vibe. Got me down.
This foundation does have some shimmer in it. Does have some shimmer in it. Okay, that is 230. Now we're going to go in with 24N. So I'm going to take a different brush to go in with the 24N. That just blends right into my skin. Or it's like a little bit darker, but my undertones, it matches. So I can go with either one. Okay, then on this side we're going to go in with a sponge for the 24N.
They keep playing these games. I'ma need you to start counting your days. No, you can't stay, get up out of my way. Can't believe I thought you were the one. All the flags waving red from the start. Now I know all the.
Okay, so this is how the foundation looks. This is 230 and this is 24N.
Things that I won't think I'm good on my own. 'Cause
This one does look a tad bit darker, but we're gonna see. We're gonna go ahead and highlight. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Huda Beauty.
I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. 'Cause I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. I'm independent, you hard-headed, too damn confused about what we.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and contour, bronze with my Makeup by Mario stick. This is in the shade Dark.
Was all for it, all that was wrong shut up inside. But I was foolish, that your bare minimum was space. I had to lose it, my feelings muted. Put it into what we had without the full closure. 'Cause there be times I thought that we could start this all over. But now I know I can't do any type of mediocre. Used to fall back, but now I'm on a looking forward. Can't believe I thought
We're gonna go ahead and blend out this concealer.
you were the one. All the flags waving red from the start. Now I know all the things that I want. Day by day, taking time to myself. Can't believe I thought you were the one. All the flags waving
Now I'm just gonna go ahead and set this with Laura Mercier and Honey.
red from the start. Now I know all the things that I want. Think I'm good on my own. 'Cause I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. 'Cause I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good.
I'm gonna go in with some blush. This is NYX Sweet Cheeks and Bang Bang. Just to add a little bit of blush. We're gonna go ahead and spray the face. We're gonna go in with the Urban Decay All Nighter. This is shade 230. This is shade 24N. I really can't tell a difference, so I can go either way with the shade. So I will update y'all in the comments if I see a difference or which one I would choose over the other. But yeah, thank you for watching. Bye y'all.